we did with you, because again, I know a lot of the patients, they try antihistamines and over-the-counter medications, but they just don't get really significant relief. So we did with you the sublingual allergy drops. How did you find them? Was it hard to do?
So for the most part, 4 drops under the tongue after brushing my teeth in the morning. It was the most painless and simplest. Every day it was just part of my routine, and I did it for 3 years now. And now I'm kissing and loving my golden retriever that my parents bought, and he comes over my house now, and he stays over the weekends, and I have no reactions, and it's almost like a miracle. I'm not exaggerating when I say that.